Est-ce qu'il y a des... Attends, avant que tu as ouvert là? Ok. Okay, so hello everyone. Merhaba, bom dia, buenos dias, salam alaikum. Welcome to the Flotex cleaning demo Forbo webinar. I'm very, very pleased to welcome you today. Just to introduce me, I'm Philippe Tricot. I'm the head of the technical department of Forbo Flooring Southern Countries, and I'm really, really pleased to welcome you. And as you know, today I will show you how it's very easy to clean Flotex. Before I start, because I'm alone and I'm in safety condition, I will remove my mask. I'm loaded as I'm alone. Of course, we are following all the safety rules due to this very difficult crisis, COVID-19. So again, welcome everyone. Now I will start to show you how it's easy to clean Flotex. Flotex, the unique textile floor covering. I say unique because, as you know, Flotex is not a carpet. Flotex is an hybrid product. If I say hybrid, it's because on the top there is a polyamide velvet, flocked polyamide velvet. On the backing, there is a vinyl, a PVC backing, 100% waterproof. This unique product, hybrid product, is built, as you see, with a textile part and a vinyl part. Why Flotex is unique? I can show you. Even if I bend the product, you cannot see the backing, because on this product, we are applying about 80 millions of fibers per square meter. So in brackets, sorry, I forgot to introduce, please feel free to put any question, any technical question on the chat of this GoToWebinar session, and I will answer to each question at the end of this demo. So it seems that the image condition is not so nice. So feel free to tell us if you have issue to see the image of this video, because it seems that the image was not so good. Okay, so today I will develop the cleaning methods on Flotex. As any cleaning regime, I would say, it's split in between a daily method and a periodical method, and could be also renovation from time to time. As usual, the more we are giving a good efficiency on the daily cleaning operation, we postpone the periodical cleaning operation. So, of course, I will start to show you what is the daily cleaning operation. Hold on. Okay, it seems that the image is not so nice. My backstage image is very good, so could you please tell us if the quality of the image is very poor, or if it's a split? So not clear from Saudi, not clear from South America. Okay. We are trying to increase the definition of the video. Hold on. So sorry for this inconvenience, but we are trying to improve the quality of the video to make it better, of course. So using this temporary issue, I will start to explain you the daily cleaning regime. As on any textile floor covering, you should use a good vacuum cleaner system. As you know, the main point how to vacuum properly textile is to use a roto brush, an electric brush, as you can see here. This is a rotating brush, increasing the vacuum operation, meaning on one step, you combine vacuuming and brushing to remove all the dust from the velvet of the textile floor covering. So just to show you, this is a classic sand we used in the building operation. So this is something difficult to remove. If you do this on a carpet, it's a real nightmare. But with this good tool and the property, the unique property of the Flotex, I remind you, the velvet of Flotex is a flock surface. I mean that the fibers are not loops or cut loops. It's just small polyamide cylinders, each close to each other. So it's vertical cylinders, making very easy to remove the dust. So thanks to the structure of our product, you see how it's easy to remove the even big sand on Flotex. So now, in combination, in a daily regime, you may have to remove a spot, a stain. Now I will show you two different spots, quite common in a daily regime. You see, I've got a gum. Okay, it's a fresh gum, so you can tell me it's very easy to remove a fresh, but I will burn this gum to make it quite liquid, and I will push it into the Flotex velvet to simulate an old one, a very old gum. Everybody work on it for weeks or months, and in a few minutes, I will show you how it's easy to remove it. Second, very difficult stain we can meet on any textile. You see here, this is a pigment marker. You know this brand, a well-known French brand. So this is a very strong pigment marker, black one. If you do it on a classic carpet, it's done, it's dead, it's finished. You cannot remove it. On Flotex, using a stain remover, I will show you how to remove it. So first, I should use, of course, a little bit of chemicals. Then I will remove the excess of the stain. I'm using a metallic spatula, as Flotex is very strong, you can do it. So I removed first the excess of the stain. Then I will apply a little bit of water to mix water and chemicals. I will use a brush, a nylon brush. And then I will remove the excess and the residue. So if you see a little bit of speck, you can repeat, because honestly, I put a lot of pigment marker. The rule is everything you drop on Flotex everything is removable. Okay. So now the gum. You see the gum. So now the gum is getting colder. So it's again strong. So it's really pushed into the fibers. So two different ways to remove this gum. The most well-known, you have to freeze this gum using an ice cube or a special sprayer. Or again, I use the same stain remover just to melt the gum a little bit. And again, a strong mechanical action to remove everything. So you see when it's becoming liquid, of course, the gum is deep into the velvet. You see the mechanical action, how I can use a strong one with a metallic spatula. Okay, so this is finished for the daily cleaning regime. Good vacuuming system, spot removing, it's done. So now what's may happen on any floor covering, it's an accident or due to a long time of heavy traffic. You see the traffic line, you see dark line on the traffic line, or you can meet difficult things like I will show you. So this is my coffee, ketchup, mayonnaise, Coke, French wine, not a good one. It's not Beaujolais Nouveau. Beaujolais Nouveau it's today, but I prefer to use a strong one, a bad one. Flour, concentrated sugar, liquid sugar, and for example, eggs, like in a pizza. So now I will show you in the same time the periodical action using a mechanical action and the renovation, because I will make a big accident on this area and then you will see what may happen on it. So let's start, for example, with the most common stain, the Coke, plus I would say coffee. I told you ketchup is well known all around the world. Mayonnaise, it's also potentially a stain on Flotex. Oh, sorry, I told you red wine. Strong one, La Villageoise, not good. Huh? This one is just for cooking. Huh? Orange juice, I forgot the orange juice. It happens also. And, oh yes, liquid sugar, the concentrated sugar. So here I'm combining greasy stain, liquid stain, sugar stain. So of course, I will need some chemical action to make it efficient. So this is orange marmalade, nice also. So it's more than, I would say it's more than a common periodical issue. It's more an accident, as I told you, and how to remove such difficult things on a carpet. If we talk about carpet, of course, it is dead. Huh? Traditional carpet, you cannot remove. And as a cherry on the cake, some eggs to finish my pizza. So here you see the special Philippe recipe pizza. So of course, such accident is not a common one. It's not by chance happening every day, but when it's happened, it's a nightmare, of course. and then people work on it. Not nice. So people are working on it. As I told you previously on the spot cleaning demo, you should first remove the excess of the stand before using the chemical action and the mechanical action. Keep in mind that to perform a good cleaning regime, you must combine mechanical action, chemical action, time, and temperature. We never have time, so remove the time. It's not always easy to get hot water. So if we keep only chemical, mechanical, it seems that this one should be a good mechanical and a good chemical action. This is a key point. So to remove, as I told you, the excess of this stand, I'm using this special tool, I would say ergonomical equipment to avoid me to be bent on the floor. So now I have to use the chemical action. So I spray the same stain remover all around the area, and I will use a mechanical action. So what we recommend to use on Flotex as periodical equipment or renovation equipment is such rotor cleaner machine. So this rotor cleaner machine is this rotor cleaner machine is combining two rotor brush, cylindrical brush, a steaming unit. So I will spray steam on the surface, and I will brush my stand, and I will remove everything. So this system, as I told you, you have two brushes, front and back. You can reverse, of course. The brush are brushing the stand, dropping the dirty water and the stand onto rubber belts, and the rubber belts, is collecting the dirty water and drop the dirty water in this tank. And then you see that we collected a very dirty water. I will show you more closer. You see the dirty water. And of course, when you are cleaning very hardly on a brand new Flotex, you will remove a few fibers. But don't worry, keep in mind that Flotex is more than 80 million fibers per square meter. So even if we remove hundreds, it's nothing. It's normal, I would say, because this is a brand new Flotex. Okay, so how it's easy to clean up and to remove all type of very difficult stain dust on Flotex. But last but not least, what may happen if I burn the Flotex? If someone smoking cigarette or using bleach, no, back please, thank you. If someone is using bleach or cigarette like I did here, artificially I burn the Flotex. On a textile floor covering, it's impossible to repair it properly. Thanks to the structure of Flotex, I told you, this is just very small fibers flocked on a PVC backing. You can easily cut around the stand using this tool, a circular cutter. So it's a pin and a blade. So I pre-cut my piece. I removed the stand using waste of my project. I'm checking the same part of the design and I'm cutting the same cycle, of course. This is the key point. You really need to cut the same, and what's happened? The reparation is invisible. So at the end, if you leave a very strong stand like saffron, curry, wood tannin is very strong. You keep a spectrum of the stand, very easy to remove it, not with a chemical action, but with the reparation. Okay, that's it. Flotex is unique. You understand why now. I think I show you how it's easy and how this product is definitely a unique one. Please feel free to ask me anything about Flotex and cleaning operation on this unique product. In between, I forget at the beginning, I show you a plank of Flotex. I show you the structure of the product on this plank. Keep in mind that we are launching a new collection of Flotex plank spring next year, around April next year. I saw a pre-introduction document. This collection is just marvelous. Trust me, this collection, I'm working with Flotex for more than 25 years now, and I have to say that with this plank product, with this new 2021 collection, the product is definitely on a good track. Okay, so thank you again to be with us today or this morning or this afternoon, depending on your country. I was very pleased to explain you how to clean Flotex. Now I'm waiting for your question about Flotex, about cleaning operation. And again, thank you for your attention. So could we buy the rotor cleaner machine through Forbo? We Forbo are having a good partnership with this manufacturer of cleaning machine. It's Duplex, the name of the machine, Duplex International. So out of France, I encourage you to contact us, and we will make a link, a direct link with the Duplex team, sales team. And I have to say that Duplex International team is very reactive, and you will get an answer very quickly. In brackets, Duplex is, for me, the most convenient machine to clean properly such textile floor covering. Of course, you can use it on Tessera or Capetile. Of course, you can use it on Coral or Insurance Flow System, New Way, the rigid mats. Also, you can use it on a SureStep, Safe Step, I mean anti-slip vinyl floor covering, a marmoleum, ceramic tiles, anti-slip ceramic tiles, and so etc., etc. This machine is a multi-purpose floor covering use. Question: how long that stand be on the Flotex before clean? Okay. I show you an immediate stand removing operation. Of course, it's quicker and easier. Keep in mind that first, the system, the method, the process is the same. A fresh stand or a very old one, as I told you, a fresh gum or a very old gum, the process is the same. The only difference is the time of the operation. On a fresh stand, you will make it very quickly and easily. On a very old stand, you will need probably to repeat and to wait. I told you cleaning is chemical, mechanical, time and temperature. So old stand, if you wait to make chemical action, you will make it easier. Old stand, more time, only difference. The only difference. Good question. Overlapping cutting is advisable for Flotex installation? Never, never at all. We in Flotex factory are exactly cutting 2.0 meter following the exact dimension of the design. Never trim off edges of Flotex. If not, you will lose the full design and you make it impossible for a pattern repeat matching. So never cut, trim off edges. Otherwise, on the other one, sorry, on vinyl, on resilient, you should trim off marmoleum, Sarlon, sure step, eternal, blah, blah, blah. With Flotex, never ever. Okay. Any recommendation for specific stain remover? Okay, I would say that I'm fan of this Karcher ARM. Sorry, I'm looking for the. Ah, yeah, they removed the. Sorry, ARM 769. So if I use this one, it's because the action spectrum is very large. With one stain remover, I can remove any type of stain, sugar stain, greasy stain, gum, blah, blah, blah. So it's one product, all stain. And to be honest, I'm also using this one to remove deep spots on vinyl, on resilience. So it exists. Just go to our website, reach our instruction recommendation, cleaning instruction recommendation. You will see a list of stain remover. Okay. No more. It seems that I answer to all questions. If there is no more question, again, I will, sorry, one more. Would you recommend to be used around the wet area? Yes, 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 yes. I can, we can provide you some references of Flotex in, would say not in a shower room, but around wet areas. I mean, in spa, you can use Flotex from the welcome desk to the cabins. Very interesting, very important recommendation, sorry. Around wet area, you should use a 2K polyurethane adhesive to avoid any risk of, in case of water penetration, to block the water with the adhesive film, so the 2K PU, and then to avoid any risk of water penetration around the Flotex through the seams, and then avoiding a mold effect or a smelling effect. So Flotex, yes, no problem. 2K PU adhesive. Take care of the bleach. As I told you, the bleach is making discoloration. So if we use bleach to disinfect, you must rinse to eliminate the potential residue of bleach. If not, you will get a spot, a white spot, and then you will have to repair with a circular cutter, as I show you. Flotex could be installed on walls for acoustic properties. Why not? Key point, you must follow the fire reaction regulation of your country. So this is always on the top of the list when an architect, the owner is asking, may I install a floor covering on the wall? In the same case, please ask what is the fire reaction regulation. If you are following it with Flotex on the wall or with, I don't know, Sarlo on the wall or marmoleum on the wall, yes, you can. And then please contact us. We will give you the installation recommendation in terms of Eurocol adhesive, process, etc. Okay. One more question? It seems I answer, no, one more. Thanks to Philippe. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your thanks. I was very happy to welcome you today. And keep in mind that webinar session, Forbo webinar session are going on. And the next one will be on marmoleum. Marmoleum, the 17th of December, you will have a new webinar session, Forbo webinar session about marmoleum and is environmental friendly product, ecological product. Okay. So thank you again. Bye everyone. Take care of you and see you next time. Bye bye.